going to be talking about a breathing technique that is better done outside than it is inside, but inside is still going to be very, very beneficial. Now what we're doing today is we're going to increase our auras. You know how some people have that X factor? People are drawn to them like the Pied Piper. It's the girl down the road that everyone goes to hang out at. They all want to have coffee with her, or they all want to go out with her. Or the guy at the rugby that everyone just, as soon as he comes in, they all turn their heads and like, oh, Steve's here, or whatever. There's always that one person. You want to be that person. You want to find out how they got that X factor, and you just don't know what it is. It's to do with their aura. They have that aura of confidence, and it's probably got to do with how they were brought up, with the confidence they had. But we can get it by ourselves by deep breathing and increasing our aura. So what we're going to do today is we're outside, preferably, but inside is still okay. You put your feet on the ground, the same width as your shoulders, okay? Now, back has to be very straight, which is something I'm particularly bad at. But your back is in line, all of your pixels are in line then, all of your energy flows are all in line. So we have to keep these shoulders back and in line. Now what we're going to do is deep breathing, not shallow breathing, but deep breathing right into that tummy again, like we were doing the other day with our deep breathing before meditation. So we have to deep breathe in, and as we're doing the deep breathing in, I want you to bring your hands from your tummy up. You ready? And bring them up to your heart, open palms, okay? And then as you breathe out, push your hands this way. Now we're going to hold on the out breath instead of the in breath. Put your hands back down to around your groin area and then bring them back up again. As you're doing this, close your eyes and visualize you pushing your aura out to make it stronger. And as you do it, each time your hands will get further and further out, then down. Now, you have to do this 108 times, but it's doing a lot of things. One, it's getting your back in line. Now I find if I bend my knees, it's easier as well. It's kind of like the Tai Chi position where you do the swaying. If you do that exercise as well, if you've got time after doing all of the other breathing, staring and everything else. But Tai Chi flow like this is actually a really good way to get yourself in alignment. But we're not doing that one today. But bend your knees, feet shoulder width apart, back nice and straight so all your chakras are in a straight line, sending positive vibes up to the universe. Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, push out. Hold, hands back down to the groin. And just keep doing it. And as you do it, you'll feel your aura getting stronger, more vibrant. And it's also pushing, the stronger your aura is, the more not only energy do you have that people are attracted to you and feel good around you, you have those good vibrations, but you're also in that safe zone because your bubble is so strong and so wide, and you will become the Pied Piper of everybody. People will start following you, start realizing that what you're saying is more authentic, more real, more wonderful, that you're a wealth of knowledge because your aura is just glowing it all. You know, when your aura glows wonderful energy, other people feel that energy, even if they don't see it. Not everyone sees auras, but they feel it. And they're the ones that just are attracted to you. Then the more people you attract, the better your business is going to be, the more confident you'll be. You'll get that girlfriend, you'll get that boyfriend, you'll get that Ferrari. All right, that's me. I'm out of here. Have an absolutely amazing Thursday, everybody, and we'll talk soon. I have to put my glasses on to say goodbye. See ya. Bye.